MMM ideology. Our modern world today is bad, unfair, inhuman, and unjust. Why does people have everything, but others have nothing? Because of money. The rich people has a lot of money. This is the world of money. It is for those who produce money, like bankers and financiers. Everything is just for the money. You cannot make a single step without money. Work. Yes, we need to work. Work, 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 and work. 8 hours a day. We should be honestly and hardly work just to earn money. You spent all your life of working. You have taken away all your power, strength, energy, and health. But what should we expect in the end? A salary. And we are all happy with that. But is it worthy to earn this kind of income? Your salary does pay your work. Your salary is really enough. Feels like you spend all your time of working, but still no savings. If it is enough, then why many people have suffered from poverty, have many debt from the bank? Today our global banking system is controlling people. People are tied up by the economic contains, loans, mortgage, and etc. Banks and financiers take care only about their own financial profits and benefits. Banks don't just hold people's money, but use them to invest in other businesses. Ordinary people just serve them as attendants and servants. Is this necessary? Yes, it is necessary to work. You have to work voluntarily in order for you to survive. This is the reality of modern society. Why does bankers and financiers work less but live better? And the poor work hard but still poor. Have you ever thought about it? Why does it happen? After all, we are the people. We are all equal. Because there is a lie around us. A huge, continuous, monstrous lie. An unfair financial system. So stop poverty, slavery, inhuman, unjust, and being unfair. We need to have freedom. And here is the solution. Let me introduce MMM, the power of giving. We are already in 107 countries, more than 138 million participants around the world. And the founder of MMM, Mr. Sergey Mavrodi, born August 11, 1955 in Moscow. He is a great Russian mathematical genius. In 1989, he founded and established MMM system. He was then elected to the State Duma. Thereby, he is also a former deputy of the State Duma. What is MMM? MMM is a peer-to-peer exchange of donations, a mutual aid community, trust between members, and free education, and changing the world together. MMM is not a bank, not a company, not an investment plan, not MLM nor hype, not a money game, and there is no boss here in MMM. There is no central account in MMM. We do not transfer our money in MMM. We send our donation directly to the recipient's account. No contracts or pledges for your property. No promises, no guarantees, but There is no law that says donations are illegal. How does it work? MMM participants give help by transferring the money to each other directly. People exchange their spare money to improve their well-being. Today you help someone, and future someone else will help you. Everybody gains from this new trustful financial relationship. Your extra money will grow here in MMM. So participate, try, start with a small amount, and understand how it works. The MMM advantage: 30% per month for your provide help, 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM, and a lot of bonuses from MMM. And here is the example. You can donate 200 pesos and above. So example, when you donate 1,000 pesos, by next month, you can ask 1,300 pesos assistance from the community. And after 1 year, you can ask 23,298 pesos. Registration bonus. After having registered and making donation, the participants receives bonus. When you donate $50 to $499, you will receive $20 of bonus. When you donate $500 to $2,999, you will get $50 of bonus. And more than $3,000, you will get $100 of bonus. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? MMM uses Bitcoin to do transaction. Bitcoin is a form of digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds, operating independently of a central bank. Bitcoin can be used for online transaction between individuals. Extra money, up to 100% per month. Now, everything depends on you and your actions only. Make your Mavro grow more than usual by simply giving. No one has ever become poor by giving. The more you provide, the more you get help in times of need. Luke chapter 6 verse 38, it says, "Give and it will be given to you, a good measure pressed down, shaken together, and running over, will be poured into your lap. For with the measure you use, it will be measured to you." By helping one another, we can change the world. Join us now. Help build a better future. Together we can spread the good news. Together we change the world.